خلاص همین روزا هست درسش
والا به چی شب خوش است والا نمیفهمم اصلا چون
بله مشنوین دوستان Mr. Arif, can you hear me, brother?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to seminar, Mr. Arif.
بله علیکم سلام شکر جلسه شما خب من امیال چک میکنم
دوستا از تمامتان خواهش میشه که می میکروفون هایتان بند کنین چون استاد در خط است. Mr. Arif, can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. Asmad, I'm able to hear you.
Now you can share your screen, or if you want to share your video also you can do.
Understand.
So our team is also preparing themselves. Inshallah, we will start as soon as possible. انشالله که تمام دوستا مشکل نداشته باشه و
نه انشالله کدوم مشکلی نیستن دوستا فقط هر چیزی که ما میخوایم میره کارت از این ویدیوی بخیر اگر بعدا درس تمام شود دست شما مرکز باشه بر ما ارسال کنید دولایت ها خوش میشه
مشکل نیست برادر عزیز ما امیال در ریکاردینگ است دیگه انشالله هیچ مشکل نیست فقط ما از شما خواهش میکنیم که تمامتان های ترینینگ را داشته باشین و پس با این ایمیل ما فارورد میکنیم که انشالله باز ما بتانیم در تمام بخش ستیفیکیشن که ستیفیکیت میتیم به شکل آسانی شما یک زمینه مساعد شما
انشالله حتما
Mr. Arif.
Yeah, Mr. Asmad. Is that the people join now?
Sir, Yeah, they are coming, but actually, at the same time, it's 10 a.m. in Afghanistan, so they are in jobs. So they are finding a way to connect.
Okay, let them join. We will wait a few minutes because they are also interested to listen the seminar. No?
Same, we are about 6 participants in the PID. We are ready.
Okay.
Yeah, we are in the VIP training room, so no problem.
Okay, can we start now?
دوستا بازم از تمامتان خواهش میشه که کامرایتان بند باشه. واتساپ نداری که؟ انجینر صاحب محترم صاحب مسی کاک دی نه راځي انجینر صاحب ځان انمیوټ کا انجینر صاحب فواد رسولی بیا هم دوستانو د ټولو نه هیله کیږي چې خپل ویډیوګانې بند وساتئ او مایکروفونونه دواړه هم ویډیو هم مایکروفون دواړه مو بند دي نو موږ به خوشحاله شو. Mr. Arif, can you hear me?
Yeah, Mr. Esman, I am able to hear you.
Thank you, Mr. Arif. We have 17 participants, and our
Okay.
PIBF team will be also launch the meeting. So, and 17 plus 6,
Okay.
23 participants.
Okay, then we start now. Okay, then we start now.
Yes, you can.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all. Are you people able to hear me? I'm not getting any response from the people who have joined.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
دوستان
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
از تمامتان خواهش میشه که در چت باکس برای ما اما یس نور نوشته کنین دیگه هر سوالی هم که داشتین اما چت باکس با ما نوشته کنین انشالله خوب خواهد بود چون استاد خودش چت باکس هم میبینه. Mr. Arif, just if you have any question or something else, just you can tell them that they write it in chat box.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Arif. I'm having 7 years of experience in software developer and as well digital marketer. I was a part of Infosys. Have you heard the name of Infosys company? You can ping me in chat box. No need to respond in voice.
Don't see anything, sir. Can you, if there is no problem, just you can start your video or you can share your screen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Today our topic is digital marketing.
Yes.
Have you people heard about digital marketing earlier? Do you have any previous experience in digital marketing? If anyone have, can you please tell me? I think no one is responding, means no one is having experience in digital marketing. Am I right? Okay, I will share my video within few minutes. No, no, no. Okay, before that, I just want to ask if anyone have any digital idea, digital marketing idea, so that it will easy to understand that people. Okay,
A little bit.
Habibullah Masood, little bit.
Yeah.
Fazlur Rahman, yes, we have. Okay, okay. Today our topic is digital marketing. Before I go into digital marketing seminar, I just want to highlight the key points that we are going to discuss today. Today we are going to discuss about what is digital marketing, benefits of digital marketing, what does digital marketing consist of, and what is SEO, what is PPC, what is SMM, and what is content writing, and what is digital marketing measurement. Now I'm going to share my screen. Are you people seeing my screen now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Earlier, when digital world was not there, like when internet was not popular, that time we used to send letters, no, through post box, through emails. That time emails was electronical mail. If you want to communicate with the people, that time mobile was not with us. That time what we used to do, we used to do, we used to write the letters to the particular person for whom we need to communicate. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now later on, the digital world keep on changing and technology keep on developing, technology turns. Now we are into digital marketing. What is this means digital marketing? What does it actually mean? See, nowadays many people are developing softwares, websites, business. They want to promote it. Earlier, what we used to do, we used to do uh, what we used to do offline marketing like banners, cutouts, pamphlets. We was displaying our products. We was exposing our products. And we was expressing our products. What we are, what business we are running now. We are expressing through physically. Now everyone in the whole world is attracted to the digital. Now no one is in a home. If you take approximate 5 people, in 4 at least you people have a mobile phones. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Now everyone is what addicted with social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, WeChat. Everyone has an account in Facebook, WeChat, WhatsApp. No. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, have you seen in Facebook apart your news feeds, apart your friends, there will be a news feed, there will be some content, there will be some messages, there will be some images. Have you noticed it? What it means?
Definitely. Sir, they are the kind of advertisements they're doing
Yeah.
on Facebook.
Okay. Why they are doing advertisement in Facebook?
Sir, to give popularity to the good and the products of the people.
May I know who is speaking now?
Muhammad Harun.
Okay, Mohammed Anand, you are correct. Absolutely right. They want to promote what they are going to do. Am I right? Similarly,
Yes, sir.
digital marketing is not only about Facebook, It's Facebook is a media, social media. Apart social media, everything, whatever you see in the internet, that it means digital marketing. Whatever you see, have you ever see? Now I will give a definition of digital marketing. Digital marketing is an umbrella, products, services using digital technologies, mainly using internet. Without internet, we can't see anything. Am I right? Without internet, you can't access Facebook. Without internet, you can't access WhatsApp. Without internet, you can't Google it. Anything. Am I right? Including phone. Are you with me? Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay. I have not received an email since the day. No. Mr. Esma, can you respond me? It didn't got any email since. Okay. Now, simple terms, digital marketing is whatever we are running the business, whatever we are having the idea, whatever we are having. And if you are taking an example as a company, if you take an example as your business, if you want to promote through online, you will use a one platform. That platform called digital. Digitally, whatever you promote, it's a marketing. Without marketing, other person, opposite person will not understand what you people are doing. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
See, benefits of digital marketing. Have you understand about the definition of digital marketing? What it is mean? What actual digital marketing is?
Yes, sir. We got.
If you not understand, if I am fast, can you please tell me? I will be slow. If you are not able to understand somewhere, please stop me. I will explain in clear matter. Okay. Now we will come to as benefits of digital marketing. Now, what is the use of digital marketing? Your time and effort will be saved, and your flexibility and real-time analysis. You can monitor the data on which target people you have targeted, and what is the actual percentage you are getting from the target area. You can analyze it, and it should be impactful. Impactful means whatever you are displaying and whatever you are promoting, it should impact to the customer so that he can attract to your products, attract to your services. For example, if I am running a so and some company, like you take an Amazon only. Amazon is a big company. Have you heard? No, Amazon, Flipkart. In India, uh, two competitors are there, Amazon and Flipkart. Do you know every year they will release one sales, big billion days? What are so and so sales they will release? Why they are going to release? Do you have any idea? Because they are running their business. They can, if any customer wants to buy some product, he will visit particular website and he will buy that product. But why they want to promote themselves and why they want to give what uh, promotions, why they want to give what discounts on the products, why they want to do? Do you have any idea about it? Why they want to increase the market? Why they want to increase the business? Because they are already have their particular customers who is having their particular customer who's for example, I'm a Amazon customer. I will only Google for Amazon. I will search a product. I will purchase a product. I will be the customer of the Amazon. Why Flipkart people wants to promote themselves? Why they want to give the discount behind this one? What apart from Amazon? Do you have any idea why these people are competitors? Because they want to grow the business ground level. See, every company, if they start, they must should have ground level basics. Ground level basics means what they are going to do, what is the actual plan, what is their ability, what they want to give the proper to the service to the customer, what customer needs actually. They need to understand first the customer needs, and then they need to realize is they are giving the proper service to the customer, what the customer is expecting from the Amazon and from the Flipkart. Product should be good. Product should be good quality, and there should be have good service, customer service. For example, if I put the product, if I am not able to get a product which I have seen in the website, if I got any defect product, if I want to interact with the customer, there should be a customer service. This all are connected with each other. Why they want to promote their products through digital marketing when they have already the customers? Is there any disturbance, guys? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Is there any disturbance?
Mr. Arif?
Yeah, tell me. I'm getting disturbance here. Can you tell me what is actual disturbance?
غاغونه مایکونه بند کړئ سره د مایکونه بند کړئ لطفا yes Arif you can go on.
Okay, this was the digital marketing benefits, and we'll move for next slide. Objective. What is the objective? Why you want to do the digital marketing? To reach the right audience, engage with your audience, motivate your audience to take your action, maximize return on investment. See, everyone has their own intentions to start a business. Am I right? Why we will do the business actually? Whatever we are investing, we need to get return on it. Am I right? Whatever we are investing on particular products, particular services, we should have return on that service, on that products. As why this disturbance coming? Can you stop the disturbance? If anyone wants to speak, can you please ping me in chat?
Yeah, sorry, sir. Just actually, we have new participants that when they are coming, so they are already mute. So I will mute them all. Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much. Because flow will be missed, and what I am trying to say will be missed if any disturbance comes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
I will control it, sir. No problem.
Okay, now after starting the digital marketing, see, I am a software developer, as I said you. I will build on software, I will build one website. After building the website, my work will be done. Am I right? Now that website should pop up in Google to visible to the all customers and customers who is viewing throughout the world. But that website, what I am expecting, that website should be viewed by all over the world. It will be available in Google search engine. However we type, for example, if I type PIBF, it will become in first page. What I was expecting, all over world should view that website at a time.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Sorry, Mr. Arif, but some of participants are using mobile phones. So can you please take the size of the screen? It means make it slideshow.
Okay, you want to make the slideshow?
Yeah.
Are you able to see now?
Yeah. No. Thank you, sir. Sorry for disturbing.
Yeah, it's okay. Now are you able to hear me now properly?
Yeah. Now it's good.
Okay. Okay, guys. Now back to the work. I was discussing about website pop-up. Now what I do, I have created a website and I have published. After publishing the website, if I want to see the website through Google, I want to type that website link in the Google search engine. Without typing the search engine, have you ever noticed if you type just AM or IN or MI, Myntra spell is MIN, Myntra, Amazon spell is AMAZ. If you just type AMAZ, you will see pop-ups, list of pop-ups websites. like related with that words. Have you noticed that in Google search engine, why that pop-ups will come, pop-up list? That pop-ups will come Google keywords, Google Ad keywords. The tool is Google Ad keywords. In that Google Ad keywords, you need to give, for example, if I want to see the PIB of name in the first screen of the web page, you need to have access of Google Ad keywords. If you want to just type PIB, you will get a pop-up list including PIB of website. You need to register. See, this all are paid services. You can see here digital marketing tools. This is only few digital tools I have mentioned here. There are a lot of digital marketing tools which people come to know when the training will start, actual training will start. Now you have understand the objective why the digital marketing is required to reach the right audience, to engage with your audience, what services you people are giving to the customers. It should be engaged, and right audience should be there. See, for example, if I'm running a training seminar company, my target area will be professionals who is working in the companies and students who has just graduated. If I am if my business is just selling the products like uh, laptop, electronic goods, whatever it is, my audience will be everyone. Are you with me, guys?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Have you understand about the project objective now? What is the
Yes,
clear objective?
yes, sir. We got it.
Okay, thank you so much. That is a positive response from your side. Now you can see here digital marketing tools, Sprout Social, OfferPop, Nangrams, Facebook Power Editor, Twitter Native Platform, Emma, Marketo, Hydro. This is all global digital platform tools. In this, nowadays, you people can understand no one will work for free, no? Am I right? No one is here to work free. If you want to promote your business and you want to take a help of any media, like if you want to promote through news also, you need to pay amount for them now. No one will give free service. Am I right? There are a few marketing tools which you people can uh, freely promote your services. But the difference between free and paid services I will show you later in coming slides. Now coming up, digital marketing consists of what and all digital marketing will consist. Now you can see through digital marketing you can brand your name. Through digital marketing, you can promote in social media. Through digital marketing, you can try content marketing. Have you heard about content marketing earlier?
Awesome.
No.
What is content marketing? Content marketing is nothing but whatever you are running the business, that business details should be in content. Like it should reflect your business, whatever you are running the business. That content should reflect it. See, for example, I'm running a Amazon. What is my business now? It's a e-commerce website. In e-commerce website, what and all we can sell? We can sell anything. Am I right? Goods, clothes, electronic goods. Am I right?
Yes.
That all information should content. That all information we can call it as a technology terminal name as content. That content, whatever you write the information that particular product, that is called content marketing. Now coming up to email marketing. Email marketing. Have you all people have a Gmail now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we have.
Okay, apart your friends, apart your particular services where you have availed a service for emails, are getting the emails from them, you can notice other emails also. Have you noticed that in your Gmail? For example, take it as a any personal loan like finance services, and you can see as a Amazon services, and you can see for Flipkart, and you can see for jewelry. Have you noticed it? Apart from your particular persons who can mail you, for whom you have given your email ID, you can see other email also in your inbox.
Yeah, sometimes, sir.
Yeah. Why? What is that? They are promoting the products through email. Whatever you promote through email, that is called email marketing.
Yeah.
Are you with me, guys?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir,
It is
very much.
understandable. It is understandable.
Definitely.
Okay. Now video production. See, few cases. What we do, I will give one best example. Nowadays, we have addicted to WhatsApp so much. Am I right?
Yes.
Through WhatsApp, we will express our feelings. If you are sad, you will keep a sad status. If you are happy, you will keep a happy status.
Yeah.
If you fall in love, you will keep on love status. If anything religious came like festivals, you will keep on festival status. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
That is called video marketing, video production, video marketing. Have you noticed in YouTube, whenever you was browsing any video, in meanwhile you'll get one ad. Have you noticed it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The address about the 5
Uh,
to 6 seconds. That one, sir?
yes, it is for two seconds. It is for 2 minutes. Some files will be for 50 seconds. It should be seconds and minutes. Have you noticed it?
Yeah. Yeah.
That is called video marketing.
Mhm.
Nowadays, what happening, throughout the world, every person is addicted with video interaction. What video interaction means? See, we can't express our feelings 100% through writing and through picturize. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Through video, what we do, we can express our feelings, we can express our business, we can express. See, I will give one best example. Have you mm, heard about Byju's name? It is popular in India. Learning platform, Byju's, online learning platform. It is for professionals and students, for everyone.
No,
In
sir.
that, what happened? Have you heard Shah Rukh Khan name?
Yeah.
Bollywood actor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. In that Byju's company, what they have did, they have made ads keeping Shah Rukh Khan as a promoter.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone won't look for Shah Rukh Khan. No, few people will like Shah Rukh Khan. Every people will not like the Shah Rukh Khan. No, all over the world. Don't take all over the world. Take it as India only. Now, Byju's person has created one video and he has kept Shah Rukh Khan as a promoter for ad making.
Yeah.
Now, what Shah Rukh Khan will do, he will just introduce. Why is this? Someone is asking remote control of my screen.
What's that? Sorry.
Okay. What they did, they have made one video and keeping Shah Rukh Khan as a promoter, and they have made one ad. In that ad, what Shah Rukh Khan will explain, he will say that in Byju's company, there are so and so courses. Your students can avail this service and they will get benefit of it. But listening this video, people will not get attractive. Am I right? They should have some content what they are going to give the service to the customers. Am I right?
Yes, sir. You're right.
In that Byju's, what the people did, they have made one video, an animated video. It was displaying like in physics. Have you heard about parabola?
Yes, sir. We have heard.
Parabola shape.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, parabola shape. Whatever the dimensions was there, like triangle, right? rectangle, mathematics, in mathematics, X square, they used to draw in virtually. It was displaying, it was like attractive. What customers will think, oh, these people are having much knowledge and these people are very experienced. So if 10 customers watch that video, at least 2% will show the interest to join the service now. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That is called video production, because visually you need to promote your business. That is a video production. Now coming up, SEO. What is SEO? As I said earlier, if I want to see the name of PIBF in the web page first, if I just type PIB, it should pop up with a list of names, which is consist of PIB, the words. Search engine optimization is nothing but Google is a search engine. May I correct? Google is a search engine. Bing is a search engine. Yahoo is a search engine.
Yeah.
If in these search engines, if you want to get your product, if you want to get your website in the first page, for that you need to have optimize. Optimize means in your mobile, you can see one software will be there. If you just optimize it, all your background applications will close and your phone performance will be fast. Optimizing is nothing but all your see what I said. There will be plenty of websites. For example, take as a SEO, search engine optimization. Mr. Abdul Malik, I will type here.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, for pop-up menu, you said you have to optimize. Is it free? Can you hear me, Mr. Arif?
Yeah, Mr. Esmat, you can go ahead.
As I said, about the pop-up, especially in the search engine. So you said we have to optimize, and my question is that optimize is free or?
Optimize is not a free, Mr. Esmat, because you need to pay the service for that to the Google, because Google will not offer you free services. There might be a free services earlier. Nowadays, what they have did, they all are paid services now. What you see, as I told you earlier also, no one is going to help you for free here in the digital market. Not only in the digital market, in this whole world, no one is here for free. Am I right?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I will show it practically. Just I will explain here, then I will go for practical. First, I will complete here theoretical.
Okay.
Because few of you are new for digital marketing, no? First, for to make you understand, I will go theoretically, then I will go practically.